Okay, moving further, we'll also do weekdays. It's very easy. Weekdays is called as Wochentage in German. Wochentage. So Tag, T-A-G. This Tag word is called as day in German. Tag. So to say Monday, it will be Montag. I'm repeating. Please repeat after me. I'm repeating 3 times each day. Montag. 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 Dienstag. So this is not Dienstag, IE combination. So E sound will come. So Dienstag. Dienstag. Mittwoch. Mittwoch. Donnerstag. Donnerstag. Donnerstag, Thursday. Donnerstag. Friday is called as Freitag. It is not Freitag. E-I combination will always be the I sound. So it will be Freitag. Freitag. Saturday will be called as Samstag. Samstag. And Sunday will be called as Sonntag. 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 So I repeat. Weekdays, Wochentage. Montag. Repeat after me. Dienstag. Mittwoch. Donnerstag. Freitag. Samstag. Sonntag. You have to learn these spellings also as homework. Moving further, we'll do one quick topic also. Let's say month. What do we say month? I'll cover some of them. Month is called as Monate in German. So as I explained to you earlier, the IE sound will be the E sound and EI sound will be the I sound in German. So let's say, what do we say June in German? June is called as Juni. But how do we pronounce it? It's Juni because J sound will be the year sound. O and then I is called as E. So Juni. This is not Juni or Junai. This is Juni. 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 Juni means June. Now July. What do we say July in German, guys? July is called as this word. Can you try pronouncing this yourself? It is Juli. Juni, Juli. Juni, Juli. Okay, we have done A also, right? So April is called as the same spelling, but pronunciation is different. Can anybody try pronouncing April in German? What it will be? So a slight change in the pronunciation as A sound. A is pronounced as A in German. We have just done today. So it is not April, it is April. April. Spelling is same, pronunciation is again different. So you have to follow the alphabet that we have done today. April. April. Right? September, another example. September is called as September. The sound will come. Like we always say V-Z. Right? So it is not September, it is September. September. The V sound will be the 𝗏 sound. I will cover these months in detail in the coming slide. Today, I wanted to explain you the sounds with the help of months so that you can at least learn few more words today. So 5 more words you have learned under months also. Months is called as monate, Juni, July, April, September. Yeah. Although months I will cover in detail in the coming lesson plan. Moving back to the slide. So what is your homework from lesson plan 2? Write, learn and practice alphabets along with words related to them in German, as well as learn the weekdays and 4-5 new months that we have done today. In the following lesson plan 3, we are going to cover the greetings, personal pronouns, and asking somebody how are you on a formal and informal note. Possible answers to it in lesson plan 3. So make sure you learn and practice lesson 2 content well, and looking forward for your presence in lesson plan 3. I would like to thank you all for attending the e-learning module of German language training program. I wish you a nice day ahead. Thank you.